we age, our bodies encounter new challenges. One of them is the decline in immune function, known as immunosenescence. But what if there was an easy way to support your immune health?
Is there anything that I can do?
Stay tuned as we are diving into the science behind probiotics today and how they can help you stay healthier as you age.
Welcome to Taylor's Care, where we tackle your health questions with real answers. In today's episode, we'll be focusing on the immune system in elderly people. Before we dive deeper into this topic, let's briefly discuss about the immune system and why it weakens over time in a process called immunosenescence. So, Isha, what do you know about this?
The immune system is our body's defense force, which is using cells and proteins to fight against infections. It operates with two layers: innate immunity, the initial barrier, and adaptive immunity, which target specific invaders. Over time, we have fewer immune cells, and our ability to defend itself from these invaders weakens, and this leaves our older and adult people with more susceptible to infections and weakens their vaccine responses.
Ooh, I see. That's very interesting. Now that we've got a better understanding of the immune system, let's meet our main guest for the day and also bring in some expert immunologists online to dive deeper into this matter.
So let's give a very warm welcome to our main guest, Grandpa. Grandpa, could you please share a bit of yourself and why you are here today?
Hello everyone. I have been facing some digestive system issues lately, and I am hoping to find a way to feel better.
Well, then you're in the right place. So, Grandpa, have you heard of probiotics?
Probiotics, are they similar to antibiotics?
Haha, not quite. Probiotics are life-friendly bacteria that work wonders for your gut. They help to balance out the bacteria in your digestive system and even boost your immune system. Oh, look, it's 7-Eleven. Let me introduce what are some of the probiotics-rich food that we can find in there. First up, we have yogurt. Next up, we have kombucha and cheese.
There is quite a variety of food rich in probiotics. Oh, and probiotics also can be taken as tablets in form of supplements.
Oh, I see. So they must be good for my gut.
Yeah.
I would love to learn more about this probiotics.
Of course, Grandpa. Now, let's dive deeper into the facts from our expert immunologists. Over to you, team.
Immunosenescence refers to the gradual decline in immune function that occurs as we age. It may be caused due to genetic factors that control immune cell function and longevity, or due to environmental and lifestyle factors like chronic exposure to pathogens. A lot of stress, poor nutrition, lack of exercise, and other lifestyle factors can accelerate the decline in immune function.
Challenges of the aging immune system. As people age, their thymus gland becomes smaller, resulting in fewer and less diverse immune cells. This weakens their immune system's ability to identify and fight new infections, making people more susceptible to illness and less responsive to vaccines. Inflammation is a slow, ongoing inflammation that happens as we get older. It's caused in part by old cells in the body that don't work anymore but still release harmful chemicals. This constant inflammation can make age-related illnesses like Alzheimer's, heart disease, and other health problems worse. As people get older, their immune system doesn't work as well because their immune cells become less effective. This makes it harder for the body to fight off infections, leading to more illnesses and longer recovery times.
Next, let's talk about how do probiotics boost our immune functions. Probiotics have immunomodulation properties. These beneficial bacteria help to balance the natural bacteria in our gut. As we age, these balances might be disrupted and affect our overall health. Probiotics modulate by influencing our immune system, which keeps us healthier and slowing down some effects of aging. Besides, probiotics also enhance vaccine effects. Elderly sometimes do not respond as strongly to vaccines due to a weaker immune system. Probiotics are able to support the immune response by boosting the production of antibodies that fight off the germs and improving immune cell functions, thus improve the effectiveness of vaccines such as flu shot. Furthermore, Infections can be reduced greatly by probiotics. When there is a plenty of beneficial bacteria in our gut, it helps to stop harmful bacteria from causing infections in our body. Probiotics are able to reduce the risk of common illnesses such as colds, flu, and stomach infections, keeping older adults healthy. Last but not least, probiotics are good in managing inflammation and allergies. It influences the immune system by helping our body to produce anti-inflammatory cytokines that reduce the chances of allergies, inflammatory bowel diseases, and autoimmune diseases, which happen when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body. This keeps the inflammation at low rate and helps the body respond better to health challenges. Moving on, personalized probiotics can be designed to maximize the effects of probiotics. Each person's body and gut bacteria are unique, especially in older adults. Hence, probiotics can be customized based on individual health needs, dietary preferences, and lifestyle. Specific bacteria strains are added based on each person's need. As a result, personalized probiotics can boost immunity, improve digestion, and support cognitive health more effectively because they are made specifically for each person.
Now, here are some common probiotic strains and their immunological benefits. Firstly, we have Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG, which can increase type 1 immunological responsiveness by stimulating immune cells to produce more anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and tumor-killing chemicals. This strain also decreases the expression of several activation and inflammatory signals on immune cells. Another strain, Lactobacillus casei, in a study increased the activity of the immune cells and generated a higher anti-inflammatory signal profile in 30 healthy elderly patients with healthy immune systems. Lactobacillus casei treated volunteers with seasonal allergic rhinitis demonstrated a marked decrease in the allergy-inducing chemicals. And lastly, Lactobacillus acidophilus, which exhibits antimicrobial activity against a wide range of pathogenic bacteria, as well as immunoregulatory abilities that can initiate anti-inflammatory responses, enhance microbial killing, and regulate intestinal permeability, all of which are crucial for enhancing the immunity and the gut health.
As mentioned in the introduction, probiotics can be taken from food as well as in the form of supplements. While probiotics are usually safe for most elderly people, factors like underlying health conditions, medication interactions, possible side effects, and allergies call for extra care. Many older adults have chronic illnesses like diabetes, cancer, or kidney disease, which can increase their risk of infections. Besides, older adults are often on multiple medications, a situation called polypharmacy, which can affect their gut health and microbiota. For example, antibiotics can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. In these cases, it's important to use probiotics carefully and only under a doctor's guidance to avoid complications. Monitoring for side effects such as bloating is crucial while consuming probiotic supplements. To avoid overuse of probiotic supplements, stick to the recommended dosage as excessive consumption can disrupt gut balance or overstimulate the immune system. Checking probiotic product labels for allergens such as milk, soy, or gluten is vital for individuals with sensitivities, and allergen-free formulations should be chosen if necessary.
Thank you for bringing me along this journey of probiotics. I have learned a lot about probiotics and how they help with my decline in the gut health.
You're most welcome, Grandpa. So overall, we have learned today, as we age, our immune system undergoes through a process called immunosenescence.
This decline is not just due to the old age, but it's due to other factors also such as environmental, genetics, and lifestyle.
With probiotics, it can help in reducing inflammation and also promote vaccine responses in elderly. Therefore, it is very important to take probiotics in day-to-day life to help combat immunosenescence. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.